Okay, let's take our Battement Frappe exercise, starting in 5th position, arm bras barre. We're going to take a dégagé to second on the intro. 5, 6, dégagé, hold it out. Going straight into the flex to the front, single frappes en croix with the accent out, and out, and out, and out. Repeat singles front, a side, a back, and side. We're going to take our doubles with a hold. I want you to feel like your foot's like a dart. Back, front, front, and hold. Double side and hold. Double back and hold. Double side and hold. Hold it out. Repeat from the back. Singles, back. Accent out, out, and out. Repeat back. A side, a front, a side. Double to the back with a hold. Double to the side, hold. Double front, double side. Close 5th. And bring the arm to bras barre. Last section, set of relevés to get you on your leg for your pirouettes. Dégagé, squeeze 5th, relevé up to pirouette position, squeeze plie, always closing in the front. Dégagé, second time squeeze, exactly the same, squeeze plie. Dégagé, squeeze and snatch, and then lock it, super glue that toe underneath the knee, tummy muscle zipped, balance, close 5th, and lower down to finish. Have you got that? Good. Okay, Sophie, let's go through some notes for the Battement Frappe exercise. So we start with a dégagé to second and hold it out. The foot comes into flex to the front with the knee back again. You will be striking, because we're on flat, with the ball of the foot and then the toe coming 1 inch off the floor. We start with the singles and then the doubles with a hold. Can I just talk about musicality? Because this exercise, yes, it's strengthening the foot, you can relax, but also coordination and musicality and the quickness of the footwork. What I'd like to see in your frappes is a bit of syncopation. So although the accent's out, a little bit of a hold. So I'll show you the difference between regular frappes, which are okay, just plain, 2, 3, 4. What I would like to see is a slight syncopation, so you're really working with the music here, going jump, and hold, and hold, and hold. Do you see the difference? Yeah, so can you just show me that? So we dégagé to second, and little hold, and hold, and hold. Syncopate, repeat, hold, and hold, and hold, and hold. Now, with the doubles, we're doing a hold anyway, so I want to see a clear beat. We frappe to the, double frappe to the front. We'd go back, front, front, double to the side, logic, front, back, side, double to the back, front, back, back, and then back, front, side. Boom, boom, boom. That's it, good. Then the last section, the relevés. This is preparing you for your centre and your pirouettes. Close 5th. Let's do the last section with the relevé. So you're going to dégagé to second. Now always squeeze your demi. However fast you're doing the demi, squeeze. So we've got relaxed knees. Then the upwards movement of the relevé, snatched. Everything arrives in 1 count. Then you plie again, thinking squeeze. That's it, then dégagé. Back to squeeze, plie, and snatch, up. And then squeeze back down, and then dégagé last time. Again, squeezing the demi, and then a sharp relevé up to get you on your leg. And that's it. You should have your supporting hip over your supporting toes, ready to let go for your balance. And that's your multiple turns. Close 5th, and lower down. Good girl. And prepare to second, and hold. Accent out, out, out. Good. Nice syncopation, hold. Good girl. Double with a hold. Like a dart. Very nice. And repeat to the back. Single hold. Out, out. Good syncopation. Back, side, front, side. Double with a hold. Double side. Double front. Good girl. Close 5th into relevé. Squeeze your plie. Snatch. Squeeze out. Keeping the tummy zipped as you plie. Good. Soft knee snatch. And stay. And close. Lowering down to finish. Good girl. And prepare to second, and hold. Accent out, out, out. Good. Nice syncopation, hold. Good girl. Double with a hold. Like a dart. Very nice. And repeat to the back. Single hold. Out, out. Good syncopation back. Side, front, side. Double with a hold. Double side. Double front. Good girl. Close fifth into releve. Squeeze your plie. Snatch. Squeeze out. Keeping the tummy zipped as you plie. Good. Soft knees. Snatch. And stay. And close.